In today's adventure, we set sail in the Indian Ocean for sunset fishing. We wanted to experience the Maldivian style of fishing, and we sure got to experience that. This was so much fun, so stay tuned.
Going on, guys? It is our day 2 in Maldives. It's the evening time. We have booked a sunset fishing tour where we're gonna take a local Dhoni or Dhoni, whatever they call it. It's a traditional Maldivian boat that the fishermen over here use. So we're gonna go and do some fishing Maldivian style. And the bonus is it's actually a sunset fishing tour. So it's a beautiful day.
We're gonna see a beautiful sunset from that. This is the Dhoni. How do you say it? Dhoni? Dhoni, okay. So that's the Dhoni we're gonna be taking to do some fishing.
Oh, is that what we're gonna feed them? Rainbow is popular. So we're on our way to catch some fish. We are actually on top of the Dhoni, Tony, whatever it is. So let's see what we catch.
So we have just anchored the boat and whoa, it's so wobbly. So they are getting it ready for fishing. I'm still waiting to catch a fish so far in the walk. Let's see how I perform.
So we are both pretty new at this, and especially doing it the traditional way. I don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but hey, let's have a competition. Who catches more, Fizza or me?
Choose your character.
We're out here fishing in the middle of the Maldives. It's about half an hour in. So far no fish, but let's see what happens. The guide tells us when the sun is setting, that's when the fish come out. So we're almost at sunset.
And just as Fizza was pretending to do fishing for her Instagram, something really big got caught on her line. You will not believe this. It was a giant stingray. Wow. And by the way, these are illegal to fish in the Maldives, so we had to cut it loose. We'll have to catch something else for dinner.
We just caught a red snapper. This is a small one. The other one is much bigger. It's the second one we've caught so far. Oh no! Yeah, I am.
So this is my first very own catch. I'm super excited that I didn't know I was
Ocarito. We just got a ocarito. Snappers, the rest of them I don't know what they're called. Six?
I think so.
Number 6 right here.
Here we go.
It's super dark now. We're out here still fishing. You can see the moon is out. It's a full moon tonight. We're gonna be going to a full moon party tomorrow. So far, I think we caught like 10 fishes.
At this point, we were super hungry and we wanted to grill those fish right away. So we started to head back. It was getting dark, the moon was out, and we were excited to eat this fish. Once we got back, we had some steaks, fish, chicken, pretty much everything, because that's what you gotta do in Maldives. You gotta totally love it. And there were sharks and stingrays everywhere. They were as hungry as we were.